ain't that right, my brother. Well, all right there, Snake. Hey, how's my audio sound? This ain't okay out there in the DX land house,
Pinto bean, pinto bean.
Well, DX land ends at my antenna. It doesn't go any further.
Audio clear.
Oh, Jesus. All right there, Snake. I'll catch you later, man. Better put them pumps on when you go outside.
24/7 in the Buckeye, you got a couple.
Located somewhere outside of DX land, unincorporated DX land.
I can't see that good. Nice name. That's all thing got it.
Hey, Chili. Nah, you're doing just fine over here. You're doing just fine, man. You're just locking it. You're locking this duck chucker down in the desert. Come on.
Southern Cal 1212 is waving. Anybody out there? Hello? Come on back.
Here out there, 1212, 445 Mississippi, but that 131 Mustang got the left side locked down.
How about it, Mustang? You got 1212?
Hey, 1212, 445 Mississippi. 131's on the left coast, he's got it locked down.
Hot dog. 73 to you, Mississippi. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hey, hello, 1212 SoCal.
Alright there, 1212 Southern Cal. I got a video gate rolling. Check it out. 445 video gates on YouTube. I'll see you. Have a good evening, good weekend.
Sound like somebody just jammed the microphone up to a speaker somewhere.
Don't work too good 3 KC wide.
Yeah, it don't sound good either, man. Oh, man, I don't know what the hell they're playing. Hurts my ears. I gotta take these headphones off, man. Gonna scare me away.
Yeah, it sounds terrible.
Chest 12, hello, come in.
You can't invite anybody in out there. Man, all these aliens walking around.
All right, hand camp out.
Oh boy. I gotta learn. They gotta learn how to use a radio. Damn it.
Yeah, they think they can get a mixer and run a radio through a 3 KC radio. It don't work.
By the way, I like the way that new radio looks, man. It looks real sharp, Rick.
Oh, thank you. You remember Slim Jim in the hog yard?
Roger, DX line. You got a copy of 745 Soldier Boy trained out West Indies. 745 Soldier Boy trained out West Indies. Big break.
I have to get out here and start cleaning things up.
Yeah, I seen that man cave, man. It's pretty messy.
That's right.
425 on the west side, hello.
You're working over on the west side. You're working over on the west side, that's for sure. Roger, 308. I was talking to Davy Crockett earlier today. He was sounding pretty good, man. He was sounding pretty good. But you got that radio sounding real good over here now, 2 doubts about it. But it's all a Mother Nature thing, that's for sure. Roger, 308 sounding good. Hey, 308 definitely sounding good, man. No pain, no strain. I'm just slow keying and mud ducking this little transmitter way out west. Break it. Walkie-talkie doing it too. A little walkie-talkie doing their job, man. Rolling out here to the west side. Walkie-talkie, we get that radio sounding good, no doubt about it. Walkie-talkie, rolling out here on the west side.
Hey, 131, that's Walkie-talkie, Tennessee, tell them 445, wave it at him.
Coast to California. Damn, fill me in on that one.
Somebody out there queuing up sound like they lost their lips.
Where the hell is the East Coast to California?